Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk, and I'm reaching out to my student body. Okay, students, I am focusing on one class and one class only, and that is CNS 105. This is going to be a brief and a basic understanding of what I need from you. But the first thing I want to point out is this. If you need to meet with me, remember, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I have open office hours from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, open hours from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. You should not have to meet with me on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now, if you cannot meet within those prescribed times, send me an email on which one of them days you can meet later in the day. So it's Monday, it's Tuesday, it's Wednesday, it's Thursday. We can meet later in the day, but you must send me an email so we can set it up. Other than that, just send me a basic email and say, hey, Professor, I'll see you Monday in your office hours, and we'll go over whatever you need help with. If you are having a problem and you cannot figure things out from my emails or these video logs that I sent out, meet with me. It's on you. I have no control over your schedule. It is on you. Okay, with that being said, let's get into it. So one of the things I want to point out is at the very bottom down here, for all of the packet tracers you will be using, there's a link where you can see all of them. But it's important that you only use this link after you go into your course. So where is your course? The first thing you're going to do is click on content. Once you click on content, you should be doing this. You should be clicking on the syllabi to see the syllabus. Let me go ahead and click on that and open it up. Your syllabus will pop up, and once you look at your syllabus, you will see the work that's needed to be done. Now, this is the important section within the syllabus that I need you to focus on. And it's right here, this week's work, a review quiz, a discussion question called reflection, and then 2 labs. But we're going to talk about these labs as we proceed through. Okay, so that is the syllabus. Syllabus, your next step should be to go into your course. So you will click on this link here, CNS 105, and then you will link into your course. Try your best not to have any other windows open, because that can stall you from getting into your course. So just make sure you close all your windows and you just got this window open when you click on the link. Once you click the link, it will teleport you into your course. And here's your course. You have to purchase the book if you haven't purchased it. And what I mean by purchase the book is once you log in, you will automatically have access to the book. So it's not that you're paying any money out your pocket. In order to get access to this, you have to log in. So clicking on this link will log you in. Okay, let me make that clearly. You're not taking money out your pocket. Clicking on this link will log you in. And this is only for my CNS 105 students. Only for my CNS 105 students. Okay, other students got to do it another way. You guys do it this way. Once you log in now, you go in and do your course. Now my screen is different than yours, but it's a couple of things I want to point out. Remember, my screen looks different than yours. And the first thing I do when I see in here, I see 100%. So that means a lot of students in here knocking out the work, getting it done, getting it done. Okay, let me stop playing. Okay, so then you'll click on Module 1. And I say this, you know, when you see the folder that says read, that's where your book at. Practice, if you click practice, here is your first two labs. You saw them on the syllabus, here they are. And then you got activities, that's for you. This is the reflection. This reflection will go over into a discussion question in D2L. Remember, all reflections will be pulled over into D2L where you can answer them. You shouldn't be answering here. You should go to D2L and answer it. And then you got review, which is stuff I'm giving you so they can skill you up. I do not need any of this. A student say, hey, professor, what should I do with the flashcards? That is for you to skill yourself up. And then you have your quiz in here. You must do that. So most of you understand this. I'm just reaching out to the student who really don't have the clarity in it. Okay, now when you click on the lab and be proceed to complete your lab, make sure you read everything in the lab. This first example was just basically downloading Packet Tracer. Downloading Packet Tracer, okay? Once you complete that download, all you have to do is give me a screenshot. You can use your Apple phone, you can use your Android phone camera, you can use anything on your computer to get a screenshot. Once you get the screenshot, you come back over into your course, you go to assignments, and you upload that screenshot. You see, several people have uploaded that screenshot. Now, I previously said, hey, upload the Packet Tracer, but what I'm gonna do now, since I'm gonna be able to see all of your work, you no longer have to upload the Packet Tracer. I know quite a few students probably upload the Packet Tracer, but going forward, I'm gonna open up all of this. So going forward, all you have to do is give me a screenshot of the completed work. Remember, it must be the completed work, not the beginning work. Take a picture, do a snippet, and then upload that, and I'll be able to compare that when I go in there and check the work, okay? And you'll do the same thing for the next assignment. I'm gonna close this. The next assignment says Introduction to Packet Tracer. You're gonna go through Packet Tracer, doing all these particular things. And when you get to the end, you're going to give me a screenshot. Now, some people might try to give me a screenshot of this and say, look, professor, I'm done. But see, this is the catch. In here, it's going to list your name, your computer, and everything. So I will know it's you, people. And if you have any doubt, never delete your work. Save your work on your desktop. I'm going to say that again. Save your work on your desktop, because if I'm ever in doubt about you doing that work, I'm gonna have a meeting with you and I'm gonna say, show me the work. So make sure when you save it, you got your name in there when you take that screenshot. So let's back. I no longer need the actual Packet Tracer. I just need a screenshot, and make sure you save it and put your name in there so I can see you did the work. Okay, I know everybody's saying, okay, professor, I got it. So that's basically it. Now, when it comes to discussion questions, remember, I said I'm gonna move every one of them discussion questions over here. Okay, and as I can see, I got quite a few people who did their discussion question. If you're a student who haven't did your discussion question as of yet, do it now. The first week, I always give students latitude. Get that discussion question in, people. Okay, so this is going to be a short video. I just wanted to reach out to you and give you a heads up on what needs to be done. With that being said, this is Professor Sistrunk. If you need to meet with me, you know when you can. I'll see you in the next video log. Professor Sistrunk, signing out.